Trigonometry Part 2. Problem number 1. Continuing using trig functions. You can see up here, I've got them listed again. The trig functions you need to use. Sine uses opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine uses adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And tangent uses opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, look at the figure below. You need to identify two right triangles. One in blue. Okay, the one in red, bigger one. Okay, we'll use the same right angle. That one, red. We need to find x and y. Okay, now the entire length of this side for the red triangle is 30. So if we take 30 and subtract 20, we'll get this piece here and this piece here for the blue. Here's your 90. So this side over here is hypotenuse. This is your acute angle. So the two sides that form the acute angle, one's hypotenuse, the other one's adjacent. Get that labeled. So the trig function we need to use will involve adjacent and hypotenuse. So which one up here? Adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine. So we'll put cosine 45 degrees is equal to 10 over x, adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, menu 3 won that, get me x. Okay, then you'll come back over here for the red. We're going to use this 90-degree angle, and we're going to name this side over here hypotenuse. Here's the acute angle. Adjacent is 30. Hypotenuse is y, so we're going to again use cosine. This time 35 degrees is my acute angle. Is equal to 30 over y, comma y. Menu 3 won that. Finish the problem, please.